Uh, Hello all. Hopes you can hear me. This is our sixth day in live coding session. Okay. So in this session, sorry, in this session, we will do one use case, one case study that is sales forecasting. Uh, in this case study, we will also see means it is a detailed case study actually. And in this, we will additionally see how we should handle missing values during our ML life cycle and during model building. Also, we will see in detail how we can do hyperparameter tuning. Means these two are very important topics. So I will cover these two topics in a very detail in this case study. And this case study also itself is great actually. So let's start. Okay, so first of all, table of contents, what we will study in this. So first we will see the introduction of our case study, then problem statement means what is the problem we will be solving, that is sales forecasting. Then importing libraries. Okay, and then we will see data loading and data description. Then after data loading, we will see pandas profiling, the pandas profiling. In this pandas profiling, we generally check means details about different columns. Okay, so I will show you this also. Then we will do data pre-processing. So we will deal with missing values. Then we will extract a month feature from date column. Okay. So because this date column is in date time format, and our ML algorithm uh, does not handle a date time column. So we will generally extract month or day or year on the basis of our requirement. Then we will do exploratory data analysis, okay, on our data, and this will be detailed analysis, not like small analysis. Then we do post data processing. Means after analysis, we will do post data processing and analysis. Then we will do encoding of categorical data. Then we will extract a day feature also, and then we will do a data splitting and a model development and evaluation. And we will develop a baseline model, then essential features. We will check how we can find essential features. Then we will do hyperparameter tuning. For this, we will use Grid Search CV, and generally Optuna is used in production environment. So that also we will see in this. Okay, and then we will develop our final model. Okay, and after completing this use case, we will jump to GCP. And then we will learn how to deploy our model on GCP because model building is only the half part of ML lifecycle. So we will see how to deploy model on GCP. Later, we will see how we can monitor means data drift and feature attribute drift if they are not. And Vertex AI virtual machines on GCP and cloud data storage buckets. All those things we will see. So means there are a lot of things which will come in this live in this series. Okay, so let's start. Okay, first introduction. What is forecasting? Forecasting means the estimation of quantity, type, and quality of future work. Example, sales. Okay, so if we are estimating the how much will be the sale, so that will be forecasting. Any forecasting can be termed as an indicator of what is likely to happen in a specified future time frame in a particular field. So here we are talking about sales. So what will going to happen in future? Therefore, the sales forecast indicates as how much of a particular product is likely to be sold in a specified future period. Okay, for for any manufacturing concern, it is very necessary. This forecast helps the management in demanding as to how much revenue can be expected to be joined live. Okay, so means how much revenue will be generated, how much material we should provide to the stores, and means inventory management. All those things can be done with this. Uh, now, after introduction, we will see problem statement. Demand for a product or service keeps changing from time to time. No business can improve its financial performance without estimating customer demand. Okay, means future sale. So, what is business scenario? A multinational retail corporation named Shoppers Report operate a chain of markets, discount departmental stores, and grocery stores all around the world. The company is planning to open some additional store in different regions, and manager want to predict the future sales of these stores and factories affecting the sale numbers. This will help them in allocating budget to each store according to the amount of mechanical and human resources required. Okay, so as per estimated sale, they will allocate budget. Okay, so one challenge of modeling retail data is the need to make decision based on limited history. Okay, so we have very limited history, and we need to make decision from that only. Means very small amount of data, historical data we have, and we need to make decision on the basis of that data only. As a result, company has assigned this data scientist division to make the department-wide sales forecast for each store. So our work as a data scientist is to make department-wide sales forecast for each store. The target feature is the weekly sale. So sales are also of different types like daily sale, weekly sale, hourly sale, or monthly sale, yearly sale. So here we are dealing with weekly sales. And what does this weekly sale column show? It shows the sales of given department in the given store for a particular week. Okay, in a particular store and in that particular department, what is the weekly sale? So we will start our coding because from here. So first of all, we will install library. So for pandas data profiling, we will be using Y data profiling. Okay, so first let's connect. Okay, so pip install -q y data profiling upgrade. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, uh, it it runs successfully. Okay. Now we will import libraries. So we will importing NumPy, then pandas, and these are some options. Means how many maximum columns should be displayed and precision. So we will set these options also. And then for data visualization, we are importing matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, and then this percentage matplotlib inline, so that our plots are in line with this notebook. Then import seaborn, and then we are importing warnings and then ignoring them. So run this also. Now, now we will we will import train test spread, cross validation score, and grid search from sklearn. So from sklearn dot model selection, import train test split cross validation score and grid search CV. Now we will import linear regression from sklearn dot linear linear model import linear regression. Now this is entry from sklearn dot tree import. This is entry regression from sk sklearn dot ensemble import random forest regression. Sklearn dot uh, svm import sv support vector regression. Okay, so import these all. Okay, now from sklearn we will import mean squared error, mean absolute error, and r squared score. Okay, so from sklearn dot metric import mean squared error, mean absolute error, and score. Now, data loading and data description. We are provided with the historical sales data from 45 shoppers report store located in different regions. And what is the time period? 2010 to 2012. And okay, and this is for 5th of February to 1st of November. Each store contains 99 different departments, and we are tasked with predicting the department wide sales for each store. So we need to predict the department wide sale for each store or weekly sale. In addition to the store basic operation, shoppers run several promotion markdown events throughout the year. These markdowns are known to affect sales, but it is challenging to predict which departments are affected and extent to of the impact. Okay, so stores are running promotional markdown, but it is challenging to predict which store are affected and extent of the impact. So these are some more details about the data set. Let's load the data. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so we will store in sales data frame. So this is our data. We have stored, then department, then date. This is a weekly sale, which we need to. This is our target variable, or you can say, is holiday true or false, temperature, fuel price, and these are marked down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here we have missing value. We can see here, and just mark down 5. Then we have CPI. What is CPI? It is the consumer price index. Okay, then unemployment is here, and type of the store, and we have size. Okay, so now we will do pre-profiling. I will show you. So uh, from by data filing, import profile report. Profile equal to profile report, and then we will use sales data frame, progress bar, progress bar. We will disable it. False, uh, and enable minimal mode. So where minimal mode, we explorative data type, summarize, config. Okay, so this minimal will be true. Minimal. Okay, so run this. And now save profile report as vprofiling report dot html. Profile dot to file and save it like pre-profile report dot html. And now print profiling accomplished. So what are the observations from that profile report? Okay, it should be it should be saved. I don't know why it is not showing. So what we will see from this profile report, actually there are 16 variables. Okay, and these are the number of observations. Um, 1 second. Okay. So this is the profile report. So number of these are the number of observations, and these are the number of missing cells. So a number of percentage of missing cells is 21%. Total size in our memory is for this data set is 48.6. Means it is not a small data. Average record size in memory this much. Okay, and then you can see about variables for store 45 distinct values are there, and distinct values are less than 0.1%. Missing is 0. Missing percentage infinite. Mean value is 22 point something. Minimum is 1. Maximum is 45. So for department also it is given 81 distinct. For date 143 distinct values are there. For weekly sale you can see how many distinct sale. I mean, since it is sale, so it is obvious that distinct percentage is high. Then we have minimum value of this much and maximum value, and there is a huge difference between minimum and maximum value. Since this is the sales data, so it is expected. Okay, so for in holiday we have seen that it is boolean, so true and false. Temperature. So like this, we can go through this profile report. Here, alerts are there. Means these are the things which are mentioned. You can go through this in detail. Okay, so these are the observation. All of all the 16 variables, 13 are numerical, 2 are categorical, and one is Boolean. Date column has high cardinality. So like this, and you can say that Markdown 1 has 64% missing values. Markdown 2 has 73.6% missing values. Markdown, this means Markdown cells have Lots of missing values. All the markdown columns have a positive skewness values and very high kurtosis value, suggesting presence of outliers. Okay, so uh, means markdown is have outliers also. So these are the points. Now we will jump to our data pre-processing. First of all, dealing with missing values. First, we will check the number of missing values in each column. So, for to check the number of missing values, sales data frame dot is null or is NA dot sum. So you can see store has zero, department has zero, date 000, and these five columns have lots of missing values. We know that each markdown column has 60 has more than 64% missing values in our profile code. But we don't know for sure whether these markdown events were even organized prior to November 2021. So we should not just fill these values with the median value. Okay. Instead, we will means we don't know that these markdown events means discount events have occurred or not. So we will not fill these values with any mean, median, mode, or with any other thing. Instead, we will fill the missing values with zero in order to maintain the integrity of data set. Just option leave it for now. This I have developed for missing values for teaching how to deal with missing values, but I will do it later. For now, jump to filling the missing values with zero. So we will fill missing values with zero. Okay, so sales data frame dot fill NA and value with zero. Okay, so like this we will do for filling the missing values and in place equal to true. So run this. Now recheck for missing values. So sales data frame dot is NA dot sum. So if we will run this, see now these values are zero. All the missing values in the data set have been filled. There are no missing values in data now. We will extract month. Okay. For extracting the month column means currently this date column is an object data type. So we will convert it to date time format. So changing the date column data type from object to date time. Okay. So date dot the types Sorry, we will not do D types here. We will do PD dot to date time and then sales data frame date. So run this. We can now use date column to extract day, month, year information as features. But we are aggregating the sales on weekly basis. So there is no point in extracting the day from the date. Also, year will only have three distinct values. Sales can only be affected by year due to some rare phenomena like stock market crash, disease outbreaks, or natural disasters. Since these cannot be predicted in advance, we can say that year won't affect the weekly sales of a store. As a result, we will extract only month information from date column. Okay, so we are creating month column, sales data frame, date dot dt dot month. And this now sales data frame dot head and see month column. It has month column now. Okay, a month column is added to sales data frame. We can still see that we have two columns having categorical and contextual data. That is holiday and type. Uh, we will encode these columns after performing the analysis on the data, so that they can be used in model for prediction. Okay, so now we will